Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to delete blank page in Pages app on Mac. So go ahead and open up your browser or open up the Pages app on your Mac, right? And as you can see right here, this is an example. There is 2 pages, right? So you have 2 options. If you have a lot of text or if you have a lot of information here, right, or extra text, what you're going to do, you can just go ahead and use your mouse to select all of or to highlight all the text here and hit delete on your computer, right, or on your keyboard if you're using Mac, or space if you're using Windows. Okay, but if there is just an extra page, all you got to do now is just hit delete by just clicking the next page or the second page here, the extra page, and hit delete on your keyboard, and basically all you're left with is the first page automatically. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.